So these are the classes, those we may use. We may adjust the font size accordingly, and we may use the defined UI Semantic classes as been used into their project. Now, in the next case, we will be learning about some color changing to it. So if we now head back to our project, and here, as we can see that all those things are practically header parts here. So next we may use some color classes as been seen earlier. Now this is the green color. In the next case, if we use this red color class, in the next case if we use this blue, this yellow, this for say pink, and this individual black color class. So we are practically using some kind of color classes along with these individual header sections. Now if we head back to our project and reload, we can see that we are practically successful in changing the color of each individual header tags, those we have used right over here. So we are practically able to change the font color, we are practically able to set different font size to different header tags with the aid of these individual classes has been defined in UI Semantic. Now in the final case, all we can do, we may use some kind of dividing or some kind of block contents with it, like if we use this for say block content with this header, and right below it if we create a paragraph element here, let's put some kind of dummy text, and I'll be changing this toggle word wrap to fit the content within our viewport. I guess I have missed this thing here. It is not blocked, actually it is a block header. So UI huge block header, reload, and we can see that we have an entirely different or separate blocked page content with a different header along with a different paragraph element with it. So this is how we may use some certain classes along with this element, along with this thing. In the next case, we will be using some kind of vertical segment class to group all the contents in a vertical manner. Stay tuned.